Oh. Little girl on a mission. Like the cookie pickle.
Say hi, Sophie.
Look, Sophie, the cat's eating your cookie.
Oh, look, Sophie, Pickle's eating it.
I think Pickle wants another cookie. The kitty wants a cookie. She ate the cookie you left for her. We'll go get another one. Watch your head. Oh. You gonna get the kitty cat another treat? Yeah. What you got for the kitty cat? Don't be loud. Shh, shh, shh.
No.
Kitty.
Pickle, come on. Here's some food.
You get her face when she's digging into the bag. Sophie, give that to the kitty cat. The kitty cat wants the food.
Hi, Sophie.
Here's Sophie. That's Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Oh, hug. Where's Mommy's hug? Oh, good girl. Oh, you dropped the cat's cookie. Go give that to the kitty cat just by the window.
Okay. Bye-bye, Sophie. Where's Sophie gone? Hi.